Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix League of Legends Reconnect error. It's easy. First just click here and type background apps, and after that once you're here all you have to do just turn off this option, then go back and now type here graphics settings, and now turn on this option, and as you see here after that you need to restart your PC, so just restart your PC. Now let's move to the next step. Go to League of Legends file location, go to this PC. Now you need to find League of Legends folder, and then once you're here click on it, go to game, right click on League of Legends, go to properties, go to compatibility, and then and now check those two options and select Windows 8, go to change high DPI, and now this one make sure it's checked, click OK, and now that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.